Welcome to C&M World, the world of
Cheeseburglar
and Magical Girl. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with us today. Cheeseburglar and I will be making some pretty cool slime, but before we get started, we'd really appreciate if you guys can hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. Now let's jump right into it. So first, we are going to start off with some Elmer's clear glue. I'm going to pour some into the bowl here. Well, I'm pretty much going to use the whole bottle, most of it. Okay, there we go, that should be good. I'm going to use 3 different colored glitter glue. Some of the clear. That should be good. I'm going to use the turquoise glitter glue. Pour some of that in here. Okay, lastly, we're going to use the blue glitter glue. Squeeze a little bit of that in there. I'm going to just mix it up a little. Just to let you guys know, one of my favorite colors is blue. This is looking so pretty. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add some blue food coloring. It's going to just make it a little darker. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You guys, how pretty is this blue? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. So this looks pretty good, you guys. I'm going to get a spoonful of laundry detergent. You can use any laundry detergent. Most people like to use borax, but I like to just use regular laundry detergent. And I'm going to pour it in a cup of warm water. And you're just going to mix it until it dissolves. Pour a little in here. Gonna stir it up. It's actually already working. Just going to keep mixing it around. And then if it's still sticky, you guys have to keep adding a little bit of water, little at a time. And now to make it even prettier, I wanted to try putting in some glitter shakers and see what I get from there. So let's see. So I'm using the dark blue right now. It seems to blend in, doesn't really show. But I also have turquoise here. It's actually really pretty. Let's see. Okay. And now the last one, I'm going to use silver. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this, you guys? Now I'm going to add in a little more water. And look what we have here, you guys. Glitter shaker slime. How cool is this? The glitter shaker really brings it out. Like, it makes it super pretty and glittery. And we have some glitter shaker slime, you guys. How cool is this? This is so pretty. That's a wrap, you guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in with C&M World, and see you guys next time.